Now, Instagram just came out with the Threads app. Everybody's talking about it. I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to use it. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chelsea, and I'm here to help you create content and grow over social media so that you can monetize that content. If that sounds like something that you're into, then click that subscribe button and let's grow together. Today I'm gonna be using my iPad since I'm filming on my phone. So first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna download the app. Now it's downloaded, we're gonna open it. I've already created an account with my Instagram, so I've created a new account so that I can show you step by step how to set up your account and how to use it. Okay, so I'm gonna go to switch account and log into another Instagram account, and your profile is gonna come up and you can just import everything from Instagram. So if you already have a bio that's written, you can import that, and if you have like a link to your store or something like that, then you can import that as well, or you can skip it. And you can choose to make it a public profile or a private profile, so that's totally up to you. If you use Instagram for business or you're a creator, then you're gonna wanna make it a public profile, but if you just use it for your own personal usage and your account for Instagram is already private, then you can just make it private. It is actually a separate thing, so if your Instagram account is private, you can make this public and vice versa. So when you set up your account, it suggests for you to follow everybody who you already follow on your Instagram account. This gives you the opportunity to have all of the same followers from Instagram over on the Threads app. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow all, and then click Join Threads. Okay, so now that we're in here, here's what happens. You can go through and look at all of the posts, and you can heart it, just like you would on Instagram. You can comment on it, okay? And you can even put like a photo or a video as your comment as well, which is kind of cool. And you can repost it and you can share it. So if you wanted to share it onto your Instagram for your story or your in-feed post, you can totally do that. You can also tap on the three dots on the right-hand corner. You can mute someone if you don't want to see their posts anymore, but you don't want to unfollow them. If you mute them, then you won't see their posts and they won't even know that you muted them. Now, if you long press the search icon, it not only opens the search, but it pulls up the keyboard right then and there as well. Now, if I wanted to, I could search for the person that I just unmuted. I could click on him, click the three dots, and unmute him if I wanted to. In your feed, it's going to give you all of the accounts that you follow, as well as suggested accounts that are similar to the accounts that you already follow. For the accounts that are suggested to you, if you would like to see more of them, then you can actually follow that account right then and there. So you can click the plus button and follow them. All right, so when you're going to make a post, you can put text in the top, so making a post. You can add photos or videos to your post. Down here it says anyone can reply. So you can switch this to profiles you follow or even mentioned only. So these are public conversations, so maybe you want to keep it just to certain people to keep it simple. Now, if you hit return 3 times, then it will create a thread within the thread for you. A really cool tool that's integrated in the Threads app is if you're worried about how much time you're spending on the Threads app, you can go to your profile, click the 2 lines, you can go to account, and then you go to take a break. And you can have the app actually tell you when to take a break. So you can have it remind you every 30 minutes or 10 minutes or 20 minutes, whatever. It'll just give you a little notification reminding you to take a break, and you can decide if you'd like to or not. If you'd like to share any posts to Instagram via story or in-feed post, you're gonna click the little airplane. You can add it to story or add it to feed. It will actually switch you to the Instagram app and you can edit it how you would like, and that will actually be tappable so that anybody who comes across this post can click on it and it will bring them to the Threads app on your profile. Now down at the bottom here, if you click the little heart, this is your notification base. So all of your notification is here. The little person icon at the bottom, just like on Instagram, is where you're gonna find your profile. Down at the bottom here, you're gonna find all of your threads that you've posted. You can edit your profile from here, you can share your profile from here. If you click the little Instagram logo at the top here, it'll bring you right to your Instagram. Now this is a really new app, so there's a lot of things to come, but Mosseri, the head of Instagram, has mentioned there's gonna be a following feed, there's gonna be an edit button, the ability to support multiple accounts and easily switch between those accounts, post search, eventually hashtags, a web presence, be able to see everything that you've liked in one place, and translations. Now, if there's anything I've missed or anything more that you'd like to learn about the Threads app, let me know in the comments. Now, this app has only been live for a week and I haven't really quite figured out the algorithm yet. But as I do learn that, I will be posting updates on everything that I do learn. So if that interests you, then follow along for that. Thanks for tuning in. Stay weird, friend.